In this episode of Birkanik's Garage, we are going to delete the central console on the Eunos. Next one.
Yeah.
So basically we want to get rid of the central console, like we've already said. And if you want to do a fine job, this is the piece you will need. That is from a jazz performance. Yeah. I'm actually quite impressed with jazz performance. If you want to do tons of custom stuff to your MX5, interior or exterior, they have so much. Tombstone all out of aluminium.
Okay.
And they have some cool bits. I wouldn't have it all, because it's too much. But yeah, definitely worth checking their place if you've got a MX5 or anything. But anyway, let's get going. This one should be easy. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver.
Famous last words.
Okay, so if you want to remove your central console delete, you're going to have to remove 5 screws. On the MX5 MK2 it was only 4, but here because of the ashtray, so if you got the ashtray here, sometimes it's not an ashtray, I've seen other things, but if you look underneath, you've got one here, then you open your central console, you've got one here, and then you've got some on the side.
There's a couple at the front.
So you've got one here.
And then just one the other side.
That's right, yeah. The same on the other side.
There we go. Okay.
Now let's just take a flathead screwdriver and pull those out. I think I've used
That's it's quite a chunky one.
Yeah, it's quite chunky, Sometimes you can't screw in that good if it's very chunky.
Yeah. So I've been told, I haven't had that before.
I got complained before, but, sometimes you have to do with the tools you have,
Yeah.
Alright, smaller one. Alright. Alright.
A bit tight here, isn't it? It's cozy.
What's nice is with the ashtray we won't be using anymore. Oh yeah, look. Actually, we made a profit there. We got a few quids.
Yeah.
We got 2 pounds out of the old MX5. This one, we got nearly 1 pound in there.
Sweet.
It'll be good for
recovering costs.
Yeah, and put our screws in. And those bits here as well. What you see here is bits from
from the
instrument cover here, the cover.
Dash cover.
That we don't want to lose because we're going to try to fix that up as well. So stay tuned. I did say it was going to be easy.
I can get it.
Right. Pass me the camera, you can do the other one. Look at that, it's Lee in a tiny car.
Never mind.
You can tell here we are not at the garage, we are just in the street. Making people wonder what the heck we're doing.
Building up our fame.
That's right.
There we go.
It's work.
All 5. Right.
So now, should be able to
Let's pull it off.
just lift up the top there. Okay. And after what you want to do is here, you can see this right, raise the bit. Yeah.
Just there.
And we go forward. Careful the cables, yeah. Right, I'm holding it if you want to like unplug the... And then it's, if you guys want a center console, it also.
Yep.
Oh, it's so hard this problem, man. There we go.
Okay.
And there, and now let...
On center console.
Yeah. Hold on, should I just put it outside considering the
Yeah,
amount of room it's got in it? Alright, so at least it gives us a chance to have a proper look. So this one does seems to have little holes, which...
Oh, that's for the middle bit, wasn't there?
Yeah, in the MK2 there wasn't any hole. That's not too bad. And here we have the opening as well. But we might take all of the carpet out eventually anyway, so... Okay, on this is definitely, if you've got a manual, this piece is actually quite nice and nicely trimmed. On the automatic, it is less so. Right.
Right.
Hopefully, the part is not only for a manual. And it is only for a manual.
Oh no. So we just cover that bit?
Well, yeah, but you can't put it on, innit? Because
Yeah,
basically the automatic comes a lot closer from it than the manual.
Well, we are going to be turning this into a manual.
Yeah.
And we can install it once we swap the gearboxes.
So yeah, at least you know, just performance do that piece, and you know it doesn't work for automatic. And that's it.
Yeah,
that's all you need to do to remove your central console. And here we go, guys, all done. Sorry, I had to.
It's bright.
I just love the effect it does on the camera. Look at that.
Yeah, it's cool.
The glory of the Eunos Roadster.
Bask in its glory.
That's right. So here you go, guys, a very easy one if you want to remove your central console delete. Here you go, that's a bit better.
That's
Let's
great,
not blind you the whole time. Just aim for a high five, a glory high five. That's right. But
so, yeah, it was easy to remove. Not so easy to install the part.
Yeah, well, basically that part from Just Performance is designed for a manual gearbox, and because the automatic is quite different. Obviously not a big deal because we are going manual anyway.
Yeah,
so
we're going to convert it anyway. So once we've changed the gearbox over, we'll put it in then.
That's right. But if you need a central console delete, hit us up. If you need an automatic like switcher stuff, that's already taken. You had a comment last time, and because we are switching to manual, we will give a bell to the subscriber who kind of said he was after one.
Yeah.
Because we might as well, if you can't even help the people in need in the car world, then what's the bloody point?
Yeah, exactly. Cool. So at least that wasn't painful to take off.
No.
So the screws came undone, which is better than the other Mazda.
That's right. And 5 screws, Phillips screwdriver.
Yeah, nice and easy.
Nice and simple. But anyway, hit us up down below. And by that we mean comment.
Yeah, don't hit us down below.
No,
not
no. If you cross us in the street, just
say hi, don't hit us down.
That's right. Below the video. There you go. That is more accurate.
Yeah, in the comment section.
Yeah, that's it. You don't want to risk anything.
No.
You're mechanics, aren't you?
Well, you'll catch more than COVID.
That's for sure. Anyway, guys.
Cool. Yeah, like and subscribe. See you next time.